All right guys, I'm about to turn this on for the first time. In this video, I'm gonna be reviewing these screw-on LED lights. This is the 160 watt light, and I'm actually gonna be replacing these in my garage, and I have 9 of them. And I ended up getting 9 of these lights, so this is gonna make a huge difference. This is what it looks like before. Pretty bright, even though there's 9, they're just bulbs and there's nothing too crazy. Once we change this, I'm thinking this is gonna look absolutely insane. I'm actually gonna save the surprise till the end, guys, so I'm gonna shut the lights off. Let's make it a little bit more suspenseful. Now, I'm actually gonna keep these at a slight angle, but I'm going to be going more flat. You can adjust these all the way you want. You can actually put them all the way down. It's just really adjustable. You could basically manipulate the light wherever you want it to go. All right guys, I'm about to turn this on for the first time. Oh my gosh. That is insane. Wow, that looks absolutely insane. That before and after is crazy. So we got 9 of these lights. This is gonna be a 6500K. So that's pretty much gonna be like daylight. You can see how bright that is in here. That is a huge difference. If you guys forget what it looked like before, I'm gonna drop a clip right here just to remind you. I cannot believe this. I'm so happy I went with these lights. They changed the whole game. It is daylight in here. Before I was kind of like squinting my eyes, even though there were 9 bulbs. If you have regular bulbs in your garage or your basement, I'm telling you, you gotta check these out. These are so worth the replacement. It's gonna make your life easier. The ground looks like daylight. It looks like I'm outside. Amazing. It's gonna be so much easier on the eyes. Honestly, if you're contemplating getting these, I highly recommend them. I give them a 10 out of 10. Add these to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.